Hey, what's up you guys? It's Rina. Welcome back into another one of my 2 Days Pop Series videos, and today I am attempting to make a CD009, which is a gargantuan-sized horse-class Nissan transmission fit into my very small, poor, little, narrow FRS transmission tunnel. And for those of you that don't know how small the tunnel is of the FRS, I'll put a little video right here. Yeah, no, it's very small, it's very narrow. There's also bracing that is tack welded up in there for the transmission that takes up a good amount of space as well, and that's the part that people usually remove when they're doing a transmission swap on this car. I've seen people try to do this 2 ways. Way 1 is to sit there and actually grind out every single individual tack weld that holds the transmission bracing up into the transmission tunnel, and then sit there and try to pry it out. Doesn't look fun. I didn't even attempt that one. Yeah, fuck no.
Hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
And then way number 2, so pretty much what that is trying to cut out all of the transmission bracing.
Oh my god, bro. Get your ass on.
Yeah, I actually did attempt for about an hour. And it didn't turn out too well.
So,
ain't gonna happen.
Because obviously we're here. While I was doing that, however, I did have a absolutely monumental, revolutionary idea. And my idea is something that I actually haven't seen anybody else do. It seems a whole lot fucking easier, in my opinion. It's got 2 steps, so very difficult, obviously. Stay with me here. Ready? Step 1. Literally cut out the majority portion of the transmission tunnel from the inside of the car, so I don't have everything just pouring all into my face, all the sparks for hours.
What's that? What the fuck is that?
So yeah, doing it from the inside of the car pretty much eliminates that, which sounds a whole lot nicer to me. So I'm going to be cutting from the inside of the car. Step 2 here. Simply go to the metal supply store, grab a nice big sheet of stainless, cut it out, size it up, and weld it into place where the old ones were. And boom, that's literally it. I guess you could call it like refabricating the transmission tunnel almost. So I'm going to go ahead and start cutting through that transmission tunnel metal. I'm also going to need to make some custom mounts, but we'll get into that later. So I'm going to go ahead and start just cutting it out.
3 hours later.
Can you move it along?
FYI, if you color your tools in with blue Sharpie, it won't stay. So maybe don't do that. So, as you can see, I cut out all of it. It's dark out now. I don't know what kind of hardened steel they use, but it's kind of being a bitch. It's working. As you can see, it's still connected even though I cut through the initial layer right there. And that's because that's where the solidified mounting portions are tack welded in. So I think I'm just gonna cut it out piece by piece. It's the next day. As you can see, at the same spot that we were at yesterday. I was thinking about it and I was like, damn, this shit is going to take for fucking ever. I was like, how do I make this process faster so we can get this shit done so that I can upload for you guys on Sunday? So I went and I bought a hacksaw. This should make the process a lot faster. So I'm gonna get to hacking with the hacksaw. Kyler just tried to offer me glasses. Safety glasses? No. Safety squints. Dude, that fucking works! I should have got one of these fucking sooner, holy shit. Okay, now for the bottom. My neighbors are all like 70 years old and they literally hate me so much. Go to a retirement home! Well, this is a whole lot faster. Italy burrs. Just for demolition fun. Oh shit! Safety.
Safety
Number 1.
number 1
Priority.
priority.
I say as I'm fucking using like an ankle grinder with no guard. But like ear safety though, right? Yeah. Oh, I don't have glasses on either. Oh well. I'm gonna put glasses on. Alright, I'm just gonna cut a little slit right here. It's time for the purse. 3, 2, 1. Hello? I make a window. Look at it, I got a trophy. Yeah, my angle grinder blade was so not big enough to cut through all that. We gonna keep going. Here we go. Beep. Yeah. Dude, my whole arm is itching so bad. I'm itchy. So itchy.
Itchy, why am I so itchy?
Done. I'm gonna grab it with this because it's sharp and my hands are little bitch hands. Oh, fuck yeah. Oh my god. Would you look at that house trophy? I'm not gonna frame that one, but shit. Okay. Now that we have another fucking giant hole, you already saw me do the first one. I'm gonna do the same shit to the other one. Gotta go bye-bye. Okay. Now it should come off. Just give it a little persuasion. There we go. Okay, Kyler. All right, we're fishing. Careful, it's very sharp. All right, we got hole number 2. Look at that. Oh, beautiful. I might take my purse from the inside of this tunnel and just kind of smack these inwards. Or I might just shave them off really quick with a hacksaw, or both. But honestly, I probably shouldn't even need to, but just for the sake of looks, I'm going to. Anyways, so yeah, I cut them fuckers out. On both sides. So yeah, there's a lot of dust on the floor. I'm gonna be a good woman and clean it up right now. But also in the car. So now it's nice and flat in the tunnel, and the remaining like little bump right there, because that shit's gonna bother me. I'm gonna take the purse and I'm just gonna bang that shit out from like the inside and try to get it as flat as I can. Time to do what I'm meant to do, and that's fashion. Here we go again. Oh, hell yeah. Alright, just because I didn't realize how much of a bitch it was gonna be to cut out that whole tunnel, and including the metal and all that stuff, I need to upload tomorrow, and so for the sake of YouTube, because I don't want to make this video like 10 billion fucking years long, I'm gonna end the video here. Yeah, so next episode is going to be all about welding this guy in, and then also making some transmission mounts. So stay tuned for that. I will see you guys in next week's video. See ya.